Hello everyone, welcome to How to Videos. In this video we will see how can you download and install the Visual Studio Code for Windows. So let's dive in to the demonstration. To download and install Visual Studio Code for Windows, just do a Google search for Microsoft Visual Studio Code download and click on this link. Click on this button to download the installer for Windows. Once the installer is downloaded, you will be able to locate it by using this folder icon. Now double click on this installer in order to start the installation. Accept the license agreement and hit next. Specify the location where the application will be installed. Now hit next. Specify the start menu folder name and hit next. Now tick the options you wish to use. You can also remove the tick if you do not want to use. Here it says that you want to add a desktop shortcut. If you wish to add, you can put a tick mark here. Similarly, put a tick mark for all these settings under the other option. Here it says that Open with Code will be an option in the context menu of the File Explorer, and Open with Code will be an option in the Directory context menu. Here, context menu refers to the menu that appears when you do a right click on the File Explorer. And directory context menu is the one which appears when you do a right click on a folder. Here, add to path option lets you add a path in the environment variables of the operating system, that is Windows. Once that's done, you will be able to write code in the Windows terminal and open a folder or a file directly from the Windows terminal. Now, once you are done with all these settings, hit next. Now, you can review the changes you have suggested and then hit install. Now, this window will install Visual Studio Code in your machine. Please wait for the installation to complete. Once the installation is complete, you will get an option to launch VS Code. I was talking about this option. This option is ticked, meaning that when you hit finish, the app will open. If you do not want to use that, you can simply remove the tick mark and hit finish to close the window. Hope you find this video helpful. Like, share, and subscribe for more such videos. Thanks for watching.